Your Samsung Galaxy might be constantly lighting up, buzzing, and interrupting you at the worst times, and unless you change this setting, it won't stop. If you want complete control over when your phone stays silent and when important notifications still get through, Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy S26 is exactly what you need. It blocks calls, alerts, and notifications, but still lets you allow specific people, apps, or alarms so you don't miss anything important. Hello everyone, this is Grace, and welcome back to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enable and customize the Do Not Disturb mode settings on your Samsung Galaxy S26. To get started, open the Settings app by swiping up from the home screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, scroll down and tap Notifications. From there, tap Do Not Disturb to access all available options. If you want to turn it on right away, simply toggle the Do Not Disturb switch. When prompted, choose how long you want it active, either until you turn it off manually or for a set number of hours. Once you're finished setting it up, tap Turn On to save your changes. Now, if you don't want to keep enabling it manually every time, you can set it to run automatically. Tap on the sleeping schedule, which is preset from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. You can tap it to adjust the days and time based on your routine, then tap Save. If that doesn't fit your schedule, you can create a new or custom schedule instead. To do this, tap Add Schedule. Give it a name, select the days you want, then tap Set Time to define when it should start and end. Once everything is set, tap Done and then Save. Now here's where things get more useful. You can allow specific calls and messages even when Do Not Disturb is active. To do this, tap Calls and Messages under the Allowed During Do Not Disturb section. From here, choose who can reach you. If there are specific people you want to mute, tap Calls and Messages, then set it whether you allow only selected contacts or allow all except selected contacts. You can also add specific contacts from your contacts list. Just tap Add Contacts and then follow the next on-screen instructions to finish the process. Under the Also Allow section, tap Calls and then choose your preferred call exceptions such as All, Contacts Only, Favorite Contacts Only, or None. If you want emergency calls to still come through, turn on Repeat Callers so a second call from the same number within 15 minutes will ring. You can also manage messages the same way by selecting which contacts are allowed to send notifications. Next, tap App Notifications to control which apps can notify you during Do Not Disturb. Tap Add Apps. Choose apps like Messages, Gmail, or Phone, then tap Done. After that, tap App Notifications and set if you'd like to allow selected apps or allow all except the selected apps. Next, go to Alarms and Sounds. This is where you decide what sounds are still allowed. You can enable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, or reminders depending on what you need. This ensures that even while your phone is silent, critical alerts still come through. If you want fewer distractions visually, tap Hide Notifications. Here, you can set it to hide full screen notifications when the screen is off. You can hide pop-ups, notification badges, and even status bar icons while Do Not Disturb is active. This keeps your screen clean and distraction-free, especially when you're working or resting. However, critical notifications about phone activity and status will never be hidden. The Do Not Disturb settings menu can be accessed through the Settings app, particularly under the Notifications menu, as well as from the Sounds and Vibrations menu under the Look for Something Else section. There's also a quicker way to control this. Just swipe down from the top of your screen twice to open the Quick Settings panel, then tap the Do Not Disturb icon to turn it on or off instantly. To access and manage Do Not Disturb settings, long press on the DND icon. This opens a quick menu where you can set it to turn on for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or until you turn it off. To view and manage more settings and options, tap Details at the bottom left corner. You will be routed straight to the Do Not Disturb settings menu where you can adjust relevant options and settings. Once you set this up properly, your Galaxy S26 becomes much less distracting while still keeping you connected to what actually matters. And that's all there is to this guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. Also, check out our other Galaxy S26 tutorials to get the most out of your new device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.